In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the decimal separator in Excel. If you work with numbers in different regional formats, this is a very useful setting to know. Excel allows you to change the decimal separator, for example, switching from a period to a comma, and you can also adjust the thousands separator at the same time. This is especially helpful if you're sharing spreadsheets internationally, or if you simply prefer a different number format than your computer's default setting. To begin, open Microsoft Excel. Before making the change, it helps to understand what this looks like in practice. For example, a number such as 1234.56 can be displayed as 1234.56 if you switch the decimal separator from a period to a comma. In the same way, values like 98.75 can become 98.75, and 1500.25 can become 1500.25. The actual numeric value stays the same, but the way Excel displays and accepts the number changes based on the separator settings you choose. The recommended method is to change the separator directly inside Excel. This lets you override your system's default separators without changing settings for the rest of your computer. With Excel open, click File, then go to Options. In the Excel Options window, select Advanced. Next, scroll down until you find the Editing Options section. In this section, look for the checkbox labeled Use System Separators. By default, this is usually turned on, which means Excel follows your operating system's regional settings. Clear that checkbox so you can enter your own formatting preferences manually. Now, set your preferred separators. For the decimal separator, enter either a comma or a period, depending on the format you want to use. Then, for the thousands separator, enter the opposite symbol if that matches your preferred style. For example, if you want decimals to use a comma, you might set the thousands separator to a period. Or if you want decimals to use a period, you might use a comma for thousands. Once you've entered the separators you want, click OK. After that, Excel will display and accept numbers using your new decimal and thousands separator settings. This means when you type numbers into cells, Excel will interpret them based on the format you selected, and your spreadsheet will reflect that style throughout your work. If needed, you can always return to the same Advanced Settings area and re-enable Use System Separators to switch back to your computer's default format. That's how to change the decimal separator in Excel.